more than happy to help you understand how we make sure that everyone has a good time flying and doesn't plug in on each other. The big rule is don't plug in on the pits. If you need a plug in, just come over and see me. But flight line's open, feel free to come over and I can show you how this works. Thanks for coming. Yay! I didn't organize it.
It's not ready.
Alright, how long do you need, Dave? A minute, okay. Can you listen to the rules while you do that? Alright, so here's the thing, boys. I'm going to play some music. When I start playing the music, you guys take off. You have to orbit. You have to orbit and land.
So you actually have to be on the box. So if you land next to it, you have to get yourself on the box.
So here's the thing. Further away than the next guy who didn't even touch it, you're still. Or that, yeah. It's all.
Nice.
All right, Kenneth, you're out.
What up, Nick? Nice.
It was nice seeing you again, brother.
Oh, definitely.
All right?
Oh yeah, of course.
And like they were war. They weren't like calm. Yeah. But no.
All right. Sammy's gonna try. I saw it earlier. It actually rips. Pretty cool. It's power. Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Neil.
Okay, I'm a big lift. I'm not gonna go around that.
Yeah,
tree.
by me is Jason. Yeah, he's flying right now. And that's Dan Z right there.
Kind of keeping it steady. Hey, nothing goes.
Oh, some. Oh, that's a hit and run. Hit and run.
After the fact.
Oh, so you were the one who.
Yeah, Chris.
Oh, okay.
Did she run me over too?
Yes.
Yeah.
We caught it.
Did you get it on video?
Yes.
Well, it's on the GoPro now.
It was really entertaining. I'll say that.
I see it fast, huh?
How can I be so lonely? Even when we're alone. Caught me when I was falling. No one can fix my heart. I dare you just to try. Sitting on the side of your bed like wide awake, I'm asking how love gets faded like a broken promise. One side gotta ask for more. Pick myself up, pick my clothes up. Won't think twice, lock the door. Walk a mile by myself for a while, no remorse. When I tell 'em, tell 'em, tell 'em, you're not the one that I look for. When I close my eyes, I'm playing hide and seek loud with no one else to find. try. You're not the one